Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a glow effect to the outlines of bodies using CapCut. So I have a video here of somebody breakdancing, and let's say I want to make it more dramatic. To do so, it's really simple. All we have to do is click on the Effects tab, and here, under Body Effects, make sure you've selected Stroke. So these are the ones that outline the body silhouette of whoever is in the video. We can give a few here a try. Let's see if something catches our eyes. How about this one? That one is pretty clean. I like it. How about this one? Crayon outline. Also increase the size a little. The tracking gets a little wonky. Maybe change the color. Lots of these effects you can customize in the inspector panel over here in the right. How about flame outline? Yeah, so you can also fine tune a lot of these effects. CapCut is really great at making these effects and animations easy to use. And yeah, last one, electro border. So that's how you can add glow effects to people in videos using CapCut.